Hello, my name is Adel ElSafty, and I'm a civil engineering undergraduate student at UNF. I've had the great opportunity to work closely with my professors and experience the precast, pre-stress industry up and close. My work in the big beam competition and UNF research projects has given me the chance to work with a host of engineering professionals and learn modern engineering tools and methods.
I am very pleased to be one of the guest speakers to visit Dr. Adel ElSafty at the University of North Florida. The hall was totally full of people, including undergraduate students, graduate students, practitioners, and people outside the field even. I think they came because of the effort of Dr. ElSafty in raising the awareness of the precast and pre-stressed concrete industry.
It really gave me those tools that I needed to put together everything that I have learned during the past years.
Without it, I most likely wouldn't have been able to complete my graduate thesis research on repairing laterally damaged pre-stressed concrete bridge girders using carbon fiber reinforcing polymers. And I would like to say thank you to the PCI-Foundation for enabling University of North Florida to offer this kind of opportunity.
The University of North Florida received the first engineering design studio through the PCI-Foundation, and we were fortunate and honored to have that support. This kind of support that the PCI-Foundation is providing for many universities throughout the United States is basically supporting the education and the teaching and the research pertaining to pre-stressed concrete.
You study steel, you study concrete in your classrooms, but you don't really get an opportunity, with the exception of students at UNF and Dr. ElSafty, programs like that, you don't get to study pre-stressed concrete. Without the university opening their doors and letting industry have access to the students may not have a chance to recognize or understand what we do. Anytime that we can get face-to-face with the students and the students can see what we do, it's going to better the students and better our industry in the long run.
I think Dr. ElSafty really has a good sense of the number of benefits in connecting the students with those that are in the industry. It's more than just learning theory. There's more to it in becoming a well-rounded engineer, and even expectations when a student's going through school of what's important, or what I need to really pay attention to, or what's going to be useful when I leave school.
When we do expose them more and more to precast, they understand that they're not afraid of the material, and they understand its possibilities. They understand it not only gray concrete columns and beams, but it's also colored concrete, high-end architectural concrete. And in fact, truly, some of the buildings they've looked at for many years they did not realize were precast. And it's definitely fun to watch their reactions when you give the presentation and they realize the possibilities of precast.
We have to make students, future engineers, aware of our products, comfortable with our products, so that they will design with our products once they get out into the real world. For our industry to grow, we need access.